Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to import a CSV Excel file into HubSpot. If you want to transfer your data smoothly and efficiently, this guide will walk you through every step so you can do it confidently. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, locate the Login button in the top right corner and click it. On the login page, you'll see several sign-in options. For simplicity, I recommend signing in with Google. This allows you to pick from your linked Google accounts and makes the login process faster and easier. After logging in, head over to the CRM at the top of your HubSpot dashboard. Clicking on it will take you to the main contacts page. This is where you manage your imports and overall contacts within HubSpot. Next, look for the Lists tab within your CRM interface and click on it. The Lists section is essential because it helps you organize and manage your data effectively. Now proceed to the Import option. This is where the actual data transfer begins. You'll see an option labeled Import Data. Click on it, then hit Start Import to officially begin the process. At this point, it's important to select the specific data set you want to import. Take a moment to make your selection, then click Next to proceed. Next, browse your computer for the CSV file you've prepared. Select it carefully, making sure it's the correct file. After uploading, HubSpot will prompt you to map out the columns. This means aligning each column from your CSV with the appropriate HubSpot fields. Mapping your fields correctly is critical to ensure your data is clean, organized, and goes to the right place. Finally, once all the fields are mapped, click Start Import to complete the process. This will officially transfer your data from the CSV file into HubSpot. And just like that, in a few minutes, you've successfully imported your data. With this information in HubSpot, you're now ready to make smarter decisions and manage your database more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful HubSpot tips and guides.